Hello everyone, welcome to Nappy and Heels. I'm Pranshi and today I'm gonna show you this simple yet glam Onam look. Now if you like this video, don't forget to give it a big fat thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. I have prepped my face by washing it off with a face wash. You can use any of your favorite face wash. And now I'm gonna moisturize it. You can use any of your favorite moisturizer. I'm using Rich Feel Tulsi Cream. It smells really good. And it really hydrates my skin. I'm using this Mina Matte and Smoothening Face Primer. It fills up those pores and fine lines on my skin. Now we are going to apply foundation. I'm using Sugar Ace of Face Foundation Stick in shade 37 Fredo. It's really great foundation. It is a full coverage foundation and gives you that natural look that we all want. I'm gonna apply the foundation on my face and my neck, and with my favorite brush from PAC in 005. It's a flat kabuki brush. It's a really good foundation brush and I'll totally recommend it to you guys. Make sure while you apply foundation, you don't miss out on filling the hairline so that the foundation doesn't look like a mask, but it looks natural. Now we are going to apply concealer. I'm using LA Girl Glow Conceal Concealer in shade Medium Beige. I'm gonna apply it on my hyperpigmented areas like under eyes, curve below my lips. We are gonna blend it out with a damp beauty blender. Next we are going to be using a contour stick. This one's from brand K in shade Caramel Focus. Name one person who doesn't want a good, sexy, sculpted face. So here's the trick in doing that, especially for us chubby girls. We need contour. And here's how I do it. I basically make a 3 on each side of my face. You can see it's a 3. Again, the same damp sponge, I'm going to use it to blend in. I'm going to use it to blend it all in. Now comes the setting up part. I'm using this color bar compact powder to set it up, and I'm using a compact powder to have that flawless full coverage and even finish to my makeup. For blush, I'm gonna use Makeup Revolution London blush palette, and since I'm pairing up my white and gold saree with a pink blouse, magenta pink blouse, I'm gonna use a pink blush. Now it's time to highlight those cheekbones, and I'm using Maybelline Master Chrome in Rose Gold. It's such a beautiful highlighter, you guys, and so affordable. I just love this highlighter. Now it's time for eyeshadow, and since I don't have any shade of pink in my eyeshadow palette, I'm just gonna use one from my blush palette. Now I'm gonna top this shade up with a rose gold shade from my new palette, Maybelline The Rock Nudes. This shade will add just a little bit of shimmer, so the look is glam yet simple. Now I'm gonna use the highlighter again to highlight the lower line of my eyebrows. This will elevate and brighten up my eye makeup. Next I'm gonna apply the eyeliner. Here I'm using Maybelline Colossal Eyeliner, and I'm gonna apply a thick and bold line to my lash line. And I'm going in for a winged eyeliner look. I will line my waterline with the same eyeliner as well. You can use your kohl either. Now let's curl those lashes and put on some mascara. I'm not gonna use the falsies today since I'm going in for a simple makeup. You can totally use falsies, it's totally up to you. Now I'm gonna fill in my brows with this L'Oreal Paris Brow Artist Expert in dark brown. As simple as it looks, this is a very crucial step in, brightening up your entire makeup. Do it really slow. Filling in eyebrows totally changes your facial features. Doing it correctly will make your makeup look twice as better as it was before. And now it's lipstick time. So here I'm using my Glam in shade Thirst Trap. When it comes to liquid lipstick, I usually line my lips first and then fill in the entire lips. And I just love this lipstick. I can't tell you how hydrating it is and yet so matte. It's so long lasting, you guys. I leave for a party and I come back home to find the same shade on my lips. My lips don't get ruined at all. This one is the best. Now let's get ready. So guys, if you love this look, don't forget to give this video a big fat thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel to keep watching such new videos every week. I post videos on my lifestyle, motherhood, beauty and fashion.